So today I'm going to be showing you one of the greatest tools that I've known for a while now. It is called Iteration X. It has been around for a long time under development, and I'm so happy that they've launched it now. It has received a great welcome into the market. It has been rated 5-star for Chrome extensions. So now I'm going to be showing you how you can use it to collaborate on your projects and make sure that everyone is in sync with the fast and efficient way of managing tasks. So just stick around. I'm so excited because I've been keeping it on a watch for a long time now, and it's a good thing that they've launched it. So I'll be glad to share with you guys how you can go around your day-to-day tasks as a developer, a quality assurance engineer, or even a UI designer. It's going to be a very helpful tool for you, so just make sure to stay tuned and check out what it's all about. So what really is Iteration X? I think you've worked on projects on the web where you are collaborating with a team, and let's say you're using GitHub or GitLab. Now there comes a time when you need to verify each other's tasks and then approve any issues or pull requests that are put in. So Iteration X is there to make sure that you do it on a live page. Now you don't have to go to your GitHub or GitLab. All you have to do is pull up on the Iteration X project that you've been invited to collaborate on, and then start working on it in real time. So I think this is basically what Iteration X is about, which is why I'm excited, because I'm a developer. I've been reviewing codes for a long time now, and to find a tool that makes you do it on a live web page, I can't tell you how much a blessing that is. So you might be thinking, did Iteration X come to replace some of the tools that we used to use on a day-to-day basis as developers? Well, I don't think so, because they've managed to do awesome integrations with one of the tools that we used to use as developers, and that is GitHub. Not only that, they've also gone on to integrate Iteration X with messaging and also task management. And so what is it about GitHub? Well, since you can make your issues on Iteration X on a live website, that means those issues can easily be referred as new issues on GitHub. You don't have to raise an issue on a separate note taker or even take a screenshot. All you have to do is pull up the issue and make sure you just assign it. And that's one of the most important things, assigning an issue for real-time collaboration. It can be worked on even as a team. You know exactly what you are going to be working on because it will be graphically presented. And so another thing that you can use to communicate is Slack. Look, who doesn't use Slack as a developer? Because I know I do. Well, you can just transfer your issue directly into Slack and tag all the people that need to attend to it, although you'd have tagged them before using Iteration X. And you can also use tools for collaboration or agile development like Jira. It is already integrated into Iteration X. So I don't know why someone would say, I'm used to GitHub, I'm used to Slack, or just using Gmail for communication, because this tool is exactly coming to complement all that, build messaging, development, and task management under one roof so that you can have a smooth collaborative environment. What I have here is my dashboard, and these are my issues. So I'm just gonna pull up a new project. There are two ways you can do this. You can come here and put your website and press enter. Now what it's going to do is it's going to gather all the data about that project and give you an automated project setup. So I'm just going to say create new project. As you can see, my project has been created. Let me go to my dashboard and click on that. So I can come here and say capture issues on the live website, and then it will refer me to download the Chrome extension. Now I'd already done that, so I'm here. You search for Iteration X extension on Chrome tools, and then you add it to Chrome. Confirm add extension. So once it's added, you're gonna need to check it on your extensions list with a big X. So I'm gonna pin this, and now you go to your website. This is Blueprint Smiles. I don't know, I just like this website, so I'm going to work on it. So with our icon, you just click there, and you're going to say quick capture, and you're going to hover over all the things that you think you want to raise an issue on. And the good thing about Iteration X is it gives you an idea about what the element is exactly. So you see an image, and that's a div element, right? And that's an anchor tag with a span. So generally, if you're a developer, you know exactly what's happening on this website. So I'm just going to try and find some issues here. Hopefully these guys will give me a job. All right, so this is actually a nice website. I have nothing against it, but this is why you need Iteration X, because it's going to capture those little details that some of your customers are just going to notice, and you know, it won't give you a good image. So let's scroll down a bit to see. Trust me, this is elegant. I like it. All right, okay, we have nice pictures right there. This is just a white space. I suppose there's supposed to be an image. No, I don't know, but it just looks good like this. But let me capture, since we are demonstrating. It would be good to have an image. Post. Right, so what it's doing right now is just capturing everything, raising an issue number. I can choose to just copy that link, or just choose to collaborate on the project. So I'm just going to get a new capture. All right, these are the partners. Connect with us on. All right, this must be the footer. Why are we going? We keep going down. Ooh, look at that horizontal scroll. I mean, that vertical scroll, that's too much. So I think there's an issue here. Let me quickly capture it. There's too much space after the footer. Consider removing it. Well, I'm sure there's an element that is the height that is more than the screen view, so that's a good issue. And then the next one will be this one. This is the back to top button, I suppose. Wait, is it even working? It's not even working. Okay. The scroll to top button is not working. And consider its size, because I think it's supposed to be small. I think. Okay, let's inspect that and see if what I'm talking about. So this is our button, and let's check the layout. Okay. Let's change the paddings there. Oh yeah, it's just supposed to be a small button that when you click it takes you back to the top, but it's not working, so I just captured that issue. These guys should give me a job. So let me see what else I can pull up. Let me check the mobile responsiveness. Oh, this is quite good. This is quite good. I have nothing against this. Yeah. So after finding issues, the next thing is just to go to your dashboard and see if you want to collaborate on these issues. Okay, this is when I was talking about the white space. It's good to have an image here, so I can attach an ideal image that I think would be good for this. So I'm just showing how good this tool is. You can attach something, or you can also connect and share it on your Slack, Jira, Linear, Asana, or other apps that you want to use. So this is exactly what I've been talking about, guys. Copy the issue link, send it to anywhere you want. So basically this is the most you can do with iteration X, and obviously if the person manages to solve this issue, the next thing you're going to do when you go to the page, it's going to show you exactly the issues that you brought about, like here. These are my quick captures right here. See, so you don't have to raise them again every time you open the page. It automatically detects exactly which issues are related to that. As long as you have your iteration X extension, you're good to go. Right, so if you click on here, it takes you to exactly, this is the visual aspect of it. This is what I was talking about, guys. You need to have iteration X. Okay, so you view your issue details, right, and then it opens up your dashboard. If I want to invite someone to make sure they work on this, I can just put their email right here, right, and then send an invite. So that's it, guys. this is what I had to show you. It's a summary, it's brief, it's short, I know, but next time I come here, I'm going to go into detail with one item at a time. I'm going to be presenting exactly how you can integrate Iteration X with the tools that you already have, and how you can collaborate with someone that is already working on the project. So be sure to subscribe and get notified on my next video.